Ze kigamba spice nayo omuntu.
Kugamba nze ndi awo nakibotera obuntu yasinayo omuntu. Nanga tinkugambe kinzi.
Onna musajja spice.
Naki? Nambata. Ekyo kimanyi kinsesa kubanga ekibuuzo ekyo it's an insult when you ask a beautiful woman if she's really single or something like that. A beautiful woman like me. It's an insult.
Kyedda mbuzi.
Gamba nkinyiiza nnyo okuba ndi single basi.
Kale byalavu katubiveeko. Kamile n'owagenzeko mu ddwaliro mulaba?
Nange sinaba. Impube naye mpuliziganya n'abaliyo. Era tumusabira tuyongera omusabira ate tulabye nako ku butambi. I think you've seen nga tali bubi nnyonnyonnyo. Saba abeere strong adde back ku bigere bye. Abasawo baffe Mukama bawe omukisa bamujjanjabe bulungi nnyo but so far mawulire agavaayo tegatiisa.
Naye waliwo abagenda ati ne batatuuka ne batamulabako totidde?
Atuvala nange nkugambe sinnaba but I know omulwadde yenna alika bamuliko ndaggwa abamufaako ennyo. All you have to know is ali atya. We don't know what's their restrictions ziri zitya oyinza okwetwala nga at the moment bakulaga it's just a few people balondemu oba you never know but for now nze manyi is doing better than we thought. Era twongera kusaba na kuwuliziganya n'abaliyo tumanye how is doing. Sinakirabako ekiwandiiko but of course anything copyright it's every artist's happiness. Katulinde tulabe how it goes.
Anyone with a question?
Aba yavuddeyo mutabani wa Kamiliyo yakoze nga elder sister obanga ayinayo kubatuume omukuza w'abaana. What is your take about his opinion about the dad?
Sobola kugamba muntu nti wakoze obubi okwogera because that was just like you mentioned his opinion, so he's entitled to his opinion and it's a family issue. I don't want to give a comment about a son talking about well-being here at Tatawe. I can't comment about that because I don't know much. Era tuli wano ku nsonga ya table. Abantu bagula table. Dr. Ebya wa Identity table. You've seen it. Kitambula bulungi nnyo so far. Batanagula table. Bafaani bange mwenna mbakubiriza okwongera reaching out. Tickets were ziri on sale. You can reach out to Manager Roger, Source Management or Haj KT. Tubenga ate tuba more than ready when it comes 10th January. Yes. Bintu bingi anti be happening okuyimba sinamulaba. What I can say generally is buli omu akoze kyakoze. Everybody has tried it being hard nga media. I'm sure mulabye ng'ekintu kitambudde so far nga bwe kyandibadde. Music is a bit alina waali nze personally opinion yange ndaba nga mukibadde nnyo si byangu. Badde so hard to get a song, so hard to do a concert, sing a lot, but all in all tubitwalaganya. Yes.
Tukusanze olwaleero wano ku Identity.
Yes, to the Identity care Tinda branch because they have 3 branches. Tinda Bwaise and Equatorial Mall. Naye ndi wano ku Tinda because it's a new branch, very huge, big. Ina ebintu bingi nnyo byinza okwetaaga when it comes to your manyo. Byonna ebyo bikwatagana n'amanyo.
Have you been the brand ambassador or just Basajja?
Yeah, I've worked with Identity before as an influencer. And twakola omulimu mulungi because when you see company gy'okuteeka oba ne mukolagana, they're growing up, meaning omulimu wagukolera ddala bulungi nnyo. So nakola ne Identity Mall, but you can see the branch in Tinda really big. Bakyagenda maaso n'okulaakulana. Meaning nga influencer nakola ogwange, you know, and I love that.
Okay. Yes. Bakusupporting ze batya?
Baguze table. Dr. Ebya mwebaza. 10 years of spice tebalese. ka influencer waabwe nkozeko nabo before. Supporting them, buying a table, and a few tickets for their abakozi and some of our clients, and I really appreciate it.
Ogenze n'osulayo akagambo eri abaana abawala nti banaye mukola amannyo.
Yeah, kikulu n'abaana b'obulenzi
abawala bakuutire nnyo.
N'abaana b'obulenzi banaye mukole amannyo once in a while funa obudde ozeeko ku mannyo ozeeko kubanga tuli ebintu bingi nnyo mu butamanya n'okumanya naye nga tomanyi nakyowulidde so olumu bisigala mu mubiri bisigala mu mannyo kati ofunamu akadde n'ojja ne bakebera nobeera nga wetangira ebirwadde biyinza okuvaako amannyo g'okumenyeka oba okulwala naye still n'empunyayo mu kamwa kikulu nnyo kubanga tubeera mu bantu tukolera mu bantu ate n'omukwano gunyuma nnyo nga munakwadde kape omufiiringa ng'akawuwa kamuvaamu kalungi so byonna byonna idento ebikola
funded because twalabanga abapatients baffe babeera bangi nnyo at a time ne twagala nti tusobole okubakolako in the shortest time possible so ne tugattako surgery rooms endala 3 so we have a pediatric room here eno room y'abaana era tubeera n'omusawo w'abaana akoleramu
nga yo
specially yes w'abaana either they're distracted by this, never having a very nice experience. Dolphin chair to distract them a little.
Yeah.
Nenga in a room. So at every one point, so local akuba patients mukaga at one time, at once. Okay. So this is one of the rooms.
That many?
Yeah, they're just 2 extra more and a lounge area.
Let's move. Thank you.
So please be careful, my friends. So the other surgery room is here.
Still for the kids?
Not for the children, it's just a normal surgery room. So at every one point, tukola kubarade mukaga at the same time.
Okay.
So twina surgery room yafe, the third and final one. You know, gadgets batuse mudda. Balino bwangu. So that's God. The final one.
Yeah.
So ne lounge area ya fene ndala.
Jagalo
tule mu bine ebitebe because they are my favorite things about this place.
Okay.
These chairs are so comfortable.
Wow, I want to sleep right now.
You just go to sleep.
Idento. I love, I started working with Idento a few years ago. Yeah.
I think you've grown with us as well.
I've grown with Idento.
Your 10-year mark makes it very special for us.
I love the beauty about people I work with. Beauty ya chontino. I love growing and every person going, every company, there is that desire for growth and I love Idento Wekuze. I'm really proud of you guys.
Thank you. And we're so proud amazing. Of you too. 10 years. Oh congrats, you've done an amazing job.
Last time I was at Equatorial Mall, very small. Oh,
now this is big. And now it's 3 branches. So that means Kachi Omuvio go no Guadio Guakindida. So we have Boise, Equatorial, and here.
This is so VIP.
Very. Exactly. Very, very affordable. That's when I offers that we know Christmas offers 20% off.
Hygiene and then the breath and everything. Baby work on needs. Bikuanga bakazi toganyo omwamwa. Na ate mkwano. Kyangu bakoze kumanyo. Kyangu bakebereko bakujemo obuchafu. Amanya agamenyese nze by the way na ine inyonga lyamenyeka. Ngira banvume. Omwana yanvuma ku Snapchat.
Bebyo natu bitere.
Neza kwa Idento era ka smile ndozo kalaba.
Abantu bagambe tuina 20% of discount this Christmas season paka February. Mujje tubakoleko
muleta abagara muleta abaana manyi kati olidde abaana balidde sweets nyingi nnyo.
Definitely.
Abaana balina balidde bingi mutasobola kulaba kati nga tebanaddayo mu masomero in fact mujje mukebeze abaana emmere ya Christmas make sure amalo girya ate oyoza muki
mujje tubalongose ku mannyo.
Yes. Whitening oyagala kwerusa mannyo kyangu babikole.
Braces, erinyo lyamenyeka, erinyo lyaganira muneno nga teriva mu mujje, all those special cases.
Yagerekera.
Exactly. either ku Bwaise or Equatorial or here in Tinda. Tujja bakolako.
I love the Tinda branch. Amazing.
Thank you. I'm so glad you like it.
Yes. So guys, spread the news. Mutena ina ekizibu kyonna n'amanyo. Mugambe idento. Idento ka beba bikola nze si pushing a kintu kitali kyakabi. Njaga nnyo okubeera mu byakabi, njaga nnyo okubeera wantu wakula, and bwe nkwata ku kintu bwe ngamba nti wano manya beezo omulamwa. Yes, bawatuufu. Ate nga ssente nsaamusaamu.
Right. Very, very affordable. Very affordable. Ate ne twongera ne tuzisala this Christmas season, 20% off for braces, teeth whitening, byonna oyagala aligners, oyagala veneers, oyagala implants, 20% off. Zonna cosmetic procedures nga gweoyagala kubeera ku mutindo, 20% off. Visit us kwe Bwaise Equatorial oba no kwemesa Mall in Tinda Kiwatule Road.
Idento care.
Yes.
Wali walala. Ate meanwhile, on top of that, baguze table ya concert yange.
Oh yeah, congratulations.
Because man, let me tell you something. Miaka 10, all the companies I've worked with as a brand ambassador or influencer, it means a lot when they come out to support me, and I love that. So nebaza Idento care okuba nti bansiseeko omukono, and the bought table, they're buying tickets for some of our clients. So tomanya boyitako wano ku Idento, no mentioning us Spice Diana, no supporting her, you might walk away with a ticket. No saving entwalo 15 no January nyumirwa Spice Diana on 10th January at Serena Hotel.
So Spice Diana, we're so excited for you. Nga patient wa Fera Dr. Ibrahim Boyangambi. We had to jump onto the opportunity to support our patient, our brand ambassador, with whom we've grown with.
Yes.
So this is a huge, huge, huge achievement. Congratulations. Thank you very much. And we're going as Idento family. Our table is there already. I think you know.
Yeah.
I was hoping we're going to be there. So
Yeah,
that,
of course,
but staff
of course.
bagenda funa selfies. Next Spice.
Yes.
Kuba bagenda kuja. They are huge fans. We want a selfie. We want a selfie.
Yeah.
We are going to be there with Spice Diana while she's celebrating 10 years. 10 years, a woman in the music industry. We're going to be there, and we're going to make sure her smile is amazing. And we're going to support. I'm bringing all my team, and we are going to support.
Unless you have any query, but
Oh yeah, so this is all of us in rooms. Okay, we could go to the next surgery room.
bajengendo bawa yo. Number you. Number 4.
Thank you. So now we can go around.
And I love the progress, I love the growth of Idento.
I actually want to take you around. I want to take you around.
Is it after this or
After here, I'd like to show you how far we've grown ever since you last visited us.
I guess the last time I was at the Equatorial branch, small, but this is really beautiful.
Oh, and you're able to see the other side. See the thing.
So you can go?
Yeah, we can. Oh yes, I have my visitors book here. Okay, that I would love for you to sign.
We all visit, do the signing or just me?